Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn about chapter number 9, that is HCF and LCM. Okay. So in previous lecture we have seen how to find HCF if 2 or 3 numbers are there, right? Now in today's lecture we are going to learn about LCM. We have seen how to factorize the number, how to find the factors of numbers. Like for example, if 36 is there, so we have seen how to find the factorization or how to find factors of 36, right? By divisibility method, we can find the factors of 36, 48, or else any number. So the lowest factor of any number is what? 1. The lowest factor of any number is what? 1. Okay. Then we will then see the lowest factor. For example, if factors of 36 is there, so the first factor of 36 is what? 1. Okay. In every number, the first factor is 1. Okay, then we check the divisibility. If at the unit place of any number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there, if at the unit place of any number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there, for example here in case of 36, okay, 6 is there at the unit place, right? 6 is there at the unit place. That means this number is divisible by 2. Wait a minute, students. See, 6 is there at the unit place. That means the number is divisible by 2. If we add the digits, and if that after addition, if the number is divisible by 3, means if we get the answer 0, अगर हमने किसी भी नंबर को for example 36 है, okay, if 36 is there, then we add the number 3 plus 6 is what? 9. Okay, 9. And if 9 is divisible by 3, we know that 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. So finally we got the remainder 0. So that means this number is divisible by 3. Again by 4, then 6, by 9. How to find factors that we have seen, right? So the first factor of 36 is 1, and the last factor, greatest factor, is the number itself. So if anyone asks you about factorization, what is the lowest factor of any number? So what it would be? 1. What it would be? 1. And if anyone asks you what is the largest factor, what is the greatest factor of any number, so what your answer would be? The number itself. The number itself. So this is the lowest factor and this is the greatest factor. Lowest factor means the number 1, and the greatest factor is number itself. That you should know this very clearly, that if anyone asks you that while doing factorization, what would be the lowest factor, so that would be, the answer would be 1 only. And what would be the greatest factor? The number itself. क्योंकि 36 के बाद वो 42 से तो डिवाइड होगा नहीं ना, तो 36 ही उसका greatest factor रहेगा, right? Then factors of 48. 1. If at the unit place 8 is there, so it is divided by 2. If we add the number 4 plus 8 is 12, so 12 is divided by 3. So this is 3 is a factor of 48. Then 4. Now if we divide this 48 by 4, अगर हमने इस तरीके से 48 को 4 से डिवाइड किया तो हमको आंसर 0, रिमाइंडर 0 मिलेगा, ठीक है? So 4 is also a factor of 48. फिर हम 5 से डिवाइड करते हैं, तो 5 से हमको 48 को डिवाइड करने की जरूरत नहीं. What we'll do, if at the unit place 0 and 5 is there, if at the unit place 0 and 5 is there, then it is divided by 5. If at the unit place 0 or 5 is there, that means the number is divisible by 5, right? So यहाँ पे 0 और 5 है ही नहीं, तो that number is not divided by 5. तो हम यहाँ पे 5 का divisibility नहीं डालेंगे. Then we will search for 6. कि 6 से वो divide होगा. So that time we will count the table of 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, like that. So 6 8 is 48. 6 8 is 48. So 6 8 is 40. Sorry. Wait a minute, student. Students, please let me know the screen is visible to you. Screen is visible. Please let me know. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you very much, everyone. Uh, Here we were, right? So 48. So 6 8 are 48, right? 6 8 are 48. Now we got the fact, we got our pair that I have told you that we have to find the pair first. अगर हमको ऐसा पेयर मिला जिसमें 6 8 are 48 है, हम 7 का डिविजिबिलिटी चेक करेंगे, 7 के टेबल में तो 48 है ही नहीं, राइट? तो फिर उसके बाद हम 8 पे जंप करेंगे. तो 8 6 are 48, तो हमको हमारा पेयर मिल गया 8 6 are 48. Now we'll search for what? 4. तो अगर हम 48 को डिवाइड करते 4 से तो क्या आंसर आता है हमारा 12. तो हम 8 के बाद ये 12 आंसर लिखेंगे. ठीक है, फिर हम 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे 48 को, जो भी हमारा आंसर आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम 48 को 3 से डिवाइड करते हैं, so 3 1s are 3. Okay, here it will come 1 and then we'll take 8 down. Okay, now 3 6 are 18. Okay, again 18 minus 18 is what? 18 minus 18 is 0. Now we got remainder 0, right? So here what is the answer? 16. Okay, so we will write here 3. After dividing 48 by 3 we got the answer 16, so we'll write 16 over here. Okay, now we're looking for 2. Okay, we'll look for 2. Now if we divide this 48 by 2, we will get the answer 24. So after 16 we'll write here 24. And then which number is left? Only 1. So when we divide this 48 by 1, we will get the answer 48. So that would be our another factor. Okay, so the factors of 48 are 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 16 24 and last 48. So while doing this factorization of 48, what is the lowest factor of 48 is 1. Okay. What is the greatest factor? 48. Okay, what is the greatest factor? 48. Okay, have you understood all till this? Yes, please let me know. Okay, this is just a revision. Okay, and then we'll do LCM. Okay, now here factors of 36 are 1 2 3 4 6 9 12 18 36. Factors of 48 are 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 16 24 and 48. Now what are the common factors amongst these 36 and 48? What are the common factors amongst these 36? So 1 is there in 36, 1 is there in 48. So what are the common factors? 1. Now here again 2 is there in 36, 2 is there in 48. So here 2 is also a common factor. Then again 3 is there in 36, 3 is there in 48 as well. So 3 is also a common factor. 4 is also there in 36, 4 is also there in 48. So 4 will also be a common factor. Now again 6 is there in 36, 6 is there in 48. So here it will come 6 again. Now 9 is there in 36, but 9 is not there in 48. Right? So it is not a common factor. Again, 12 is there in 36 and 12 is there in 48. So here again common factor is what? 12, right? Now 18 is there in 36 but not in 48. 36 is there in 36 but not in 48. So the common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now what is the highest common factor amongst these numbers? Only 12. So this is so the 12 HCF is what? So our HCF would be what? HCF is equal to 12 because we find the factors of 36 first, then we have to find the factors of 48, then wait a minute student. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Okay, and amongst these common factors 12 is the greatest number, means highest number. So our HCF would be what? 12, right? Now so HCF is equal to 12. Now how to find LCM? The same rules we have to follow. First we have to find factors of 36, then factors of 48, then common factors. But here what we will write? The lowest common factor, LCM, lowest common factor. Now here what is the lowest common factor? Just let me know. What is the lowest common factor? Okay, wait a minute student. Now students, I am giving you one sum to find the HCF. Okay, just let me know the answer in chat box. Huh? After getting answer, for example, I am giving you one example, like for example 18 and 15. 18 and 15, and find the highest common factor of these two numbers. I am giving you 1 minute to solve this sum. Okay, okay. Let me see. Many of the students have given me right answer, given me the answer. Okay, just check the answer is correct or wrong. Okay, so let me share my screen with you, whiteboard with you, so that we'll get the answer correctly. 18 and 15. Huh? Okay, so let me share my whiteboard with you. Okay, then we will move for LCM. Huh? So first clear the concept of HCF and then we will move for LCM. So what my question was, find the highest common factor of 18 and 15, right? Now here 18, the factor, very first factor of 18 is what? 1. Now 2 के टेबल में 18 है? Yes, 2 9s are 18. Now 3 के टेबल में? Yes, 3 6s are 18. 4 के टेबल में है? No. 5 के टेबल में है? No. 6 के? Yes. 6 3s are 18. Now we got the pair. 6 3s are 18. 3 6s are 18. So what we'll do? We will check for 2. 2 9s are 18. तो हम यहाँ पे 9 लिखेंगे. Then we will check for 1. तो यहाँ पे आएगा हमारा 18. जैसे ही हमको हमारा पेयर मिलता है ना, तो हम 2 को लेंगे, जो भी आंसर आता है 2 को 18 से डिवाइड के करने के बाद तो वो यहाँ पे आएगा। फिर हम 1 की तरफ फॉरवर्ड करेंगे, फिर 1 को 18 से डिवाइड करने के बाद, सॉरी 18 को 1 से डिवाइड करने के बाद जो आंसर आता है वो यहाँ पे रहेगा। ओके, नाउ विल मूव फॉर 15. सो वेरी फर्स्ट फैक्टर इज 1. Here no 0, no 2, no 4, no 6, no 8. That means this is not divisible by 2. Now 3 के टेबल में तो 15 आता ही है, तो 3 5 जा 15. 4 के टेबल में तो नहीं आता है, 5 के टेबल में आता है, तो 5 3 जा 15. तो हमको हमारा पेयर मिल गया, 3 5 जा 15, 5 3 जा 15. तो वी विल प्रोसीड फॉर 1. अगर 15 को 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमको आंसर क्या मिलेगा, 15 ओनली, राइट. नाउ लेट्स चेक फॉर कॉमन फैक्टर्स. मैंने यहाँ पे शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिखा है, आपको नहीं लिखना है, ठीक है. Let's check for common factor. So 1 is there, wait a minute student. So 1 is there in 18, 1 is there in 15. So 1 is the common factor. See, 1 is there in 18, 1 is there in 15. So 1 is the common factor. Now 2 is there in 18, but 2 is not there in 15. So 3 is there in 18 and 3 is there in 15 as well. So 3 is also a common factor. Now 6 and 5, 9, 15, no any other common factor. Now what is the highest common factor amongst these two? C, F. What is the highest common factor amongst these two numbers? What it is? 3. So 3 is the right answer. The students are very clever. Many of the students have given me correct answer. Correct answer. Very good. Keep it up, students. Very good. I think you understood the chapter properly, right? Okay. So now move for LCM. Okay. हम यहाँ पे. Okay. Okay, then so our HCF has been done. These are the word problem that how to solve it that I have told you. अगर वहाँ पे maximum number आता है, अगर maximum word आता है, what is the maximum possible length of each bit? So what you have to do, 18 का factors निकालना है, 15 का factors निकालना है, then common factor, then HCF, और जो भी answer आता है, that would be the maximum possible length of each bed. Okay, here also 8 is there, 12 is there. See, maximum possible length. So if maximum word is there, that means you have to find the factors of 8, then factors of 12, and then take common factors of these two. Okay, and then find the highest common factor, and that would be the maximum possible length of each piece B. Have you understood all? Okay, now sorry students. Okay, now this is find the LCM of the following numbers. So how to find the LCM of the following number? Okay, so I'll share my whiteboard with you again. Okay, so that the concept get clear, more clear. Okay, so 9 and 15 is there, right? 9 and 15 is there. See, okay, now 9 is there, 9 and 15 is there. Okay, so 9 is there and 15 is there. Okay, now here so first of all we have to find the multiples of 9. Okay, because what is the full form of LCM? Least common multiple. Least common multiple. So for that we have to find the multiples of 9. So here what we are going to do, we will write table of 9. Okay, so if we have to find the factors of 9, so we have to write the table of 9. Okay, so here 9 का table क्या होगा? 9 1 जा 9. Okay, then 9 2 जा 18, then 9 3 जा 27, then 9 4 जा 36, 9 5s are 45. Then 54. Okay, this is a table of 9. Okay, here for LCM a table is required. So 13 का table फिर, sorry students. Okay, so we have to write the table of, sorry. After writing the table, see first we have to write the table of 9, then table of 13, and then we have to find the common factors among these two. So here we will write, wait a minute students, common factors. So here we will write common factors amongst these two. Okay. Now Now 9 is there in 13, but 9 is, sorry, 9 is there in 9, but not in 13. 18 is there in 9, but not in 13. Then 27, here no 27, 36, no 36, 45, no 45, again 54, no 54, 63, no 63 is there. यहाँ पे 72 है, but no 72 in 13th table. 81, 81 यहाँ पे भी नहीं है, 90 है बट यहाँ पे नहीं है 90. तो हम क्या करेंगे ऐसे टाइम पे जहाँ पे 9 का टेबल फिनिश हो गया है, तो हमको वापस से उसको मल्टीपल लिखते जाना है जब तक कॉमन मल्टीपल हमको नहीं मिलता है. ठीक है. नाउ हियर आफ्टर 90 which number would be there? Which number would be there after 90? 99, right? After 90 which number would be there? 99. Now after 99 कौन सा नंबर आएगा? तो 9 को मल्टीप्लाई करो. 9 10 जा 99, 9 11 9 10 जा 90, 9 11 जा 99. तो 99 है इसमें? नहीं है. वापिस से हमको 9 को 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करना. 12 9 into 9 12 जा क्या होगा? Let me check the chat box, students. (108). Okay, 108 is there in 13th table? No. Then again we will move for 13. जैसे कि ये 9 10 जा हो गया, 11 जा हो गया, 12 जा. Now 13 into 9. 13 into 9, what would be? 117, right? Now here 117 is there in 13th table, and now it is in 9th table as well. Okay, so we will stop here further multiplication. And what would be the common factor? 117. इससे पहले कोई common factor था क्या? नहीं था. So that means this is the least common factor, lowest common factor in between 9 and 13. So LCM would be what? LCM of 9 and 15 would be what? 117. Clear everyone? I hope everyone is clear regarding this. what you have to do, first find the factors of 9. So 9 factors निकालने के लिए, while we are doing LCM, what we have to do, we have to write table of 99, then we have to do table of 13. Okay, now if no common factor is there in between 9 and 13, so we will अगेन मल्टीप्लाई 9 10 जा तक हमने टेबल लिखा है, फिर 9 11 जा, 9 12 जा, 9 13 जा. ओके, अगर यहाँ पे भी हमारा 117 यहाँ का और यहाँ का कॉमन नहीं आता था तो हम 9 14 जा लिखते थे, फिर 9 15 जा. बट हियर we got the common factors of 117 here. Now before 117 no common factors are there, so 117 is the lowest common factor in between 9 and 13. So our LCM, lowest common multiple, so our lowest common multiple what, 117, means 117. Clear everyone? I hope everyone clear this doubt right now. Yes, understood it properly. Yes, when no, sorry, Ishita is asking, teacher, when no common factors, then only we have to multiply. Yes, when no common factor is there in between the numbers, then only we have to multiply the number. Okay, otherwise no need to do multiplication. We first find the common factors, and after writing common factors, we just see which is the lowest common multiple. Okay, so if we got the lowest common multiple, then no need to multiply again, right? Okay, so I'll make you understand again. Please pay attention, everyone. In this case, what we did, we first wrote the table of 9, that is 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27 till 90. Then we took the number 13 and then we wrote the table of 13 till 130, 13 tens are 130. Then we found no common multiple there in between 9 and 13. So what we did, we again multiply the table of 9 by 11. 9 tens are 90, so 9 11s are 99, 9 12s are 108, 9 3s are 117. Now here after writing the table, here 117 is there in 9 as well as in 13, right? So 117, no common multiple is there before this 117. So our least common factor, means lowest common factor or lowest common multiple is what? 117. So likewise we have to find the factors of other numbers also. Okay, here we have taken 9 11s are, 9 12s are, 9 13s are. Why? Because no common factor were there. Okay, but if we got the common factors before multiplication, so here no need to write the multiplication further. Okay, so that would be our lowest common multiple. I hope everyone clear this. Okay, yes, okay, clear everyone? Okay, why 15? 15 was there. I have taken an example of 13. Sorry. Here 15 was there, but ठीक है, 15 हमने 13 का किया. Okay, but we have to find 15th factor. Okay, okay. One more example we will see. Okay, one more example we will see. ठीक है? So let's take an example of 2 3 5. Okay, 2 3 5. Simple one we will take. Okay, 2 3 and 5. Okay, so here we will take an example of 2 3 5. Now 2 का table तो पता है, right? So 2 is equal to the factors of this. LCM is quite easier than LCM is quite easier than HCF, right? Because हमको table लिखते जाना है, common factor निकालने के बाद जो सबसे पहला common factor रहेगा, that would be our LCM, right? So here 2 ones are 2, then 2 twos are 4, then 3s are 6, then 2 4s are 8. Okay. Now let's take an example of, let's take the factors of 3. So 3 ones are 3, then 6, then 9, then 12, 15, okay. Here our table, 3 table is completed. Now 4, right? 4, 4, sorry, what? Okay. So here 4 table is also completed. Now let's take common factor. Common factor. Common factors are what? Okay. Now let's take common factor here. Okay. Now 2 is there in 2, not in 3, not in 4. Okay. Wait a minute, students. Let me check your chat box. Sorry, it's 235 now. Sorry, extremely sorry. Wait a minute, students. 235 here, huh? No call, no 4, 235. Sorry. We will not take 4, we will take 5. Okay, sorry. So here 5 would be there. Okay. Now it's okay. We'll not take 4, we'll take 5. 2, table of 2, table of 3, table of 5. Okay, now let's do common factors. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So here 2 is there in 2, not in 3, not in 5. It is not common factor. 4 is there in 2, 3, but not in 5. 6 is there in 2 and 3, but not in 5. So will not take it. 10 is there in 2, but not in 3 and in 5. Okay. So I think it is 20 is there in 2 and in 5 but not in 3. So which number is there which is in 2 as well as 3 as well as in 5? Now here 20 के बाद हमारे पास और नंबर नहीं है जो 30 और जो 3 और 5 में है, तो we'll again further move for it. 2 tens are 20, then 2 11s are 22, then 2 12s are 24. Okay, then here it will come 26. ओके क्योंकि हमको कॉमन फैक्टर ही नहीं मिल रहा है तो हम इसको वापस से मूव करेंगे 30 तक. 28, देन 30. ओके, फिर 32. जहां तक हमको नहीं मिलता है तब तक हम लेंगे टेबल. ठीक है, बट 30 इज देयर इन 2 के टेबल में भी 30 है. 20 is there in 2 but not in 3 ना, and but it is in 5 but we cannot take 20. तो उसके बाद हमारे पास में टेबल ही नहीं बचा तो हम 2 के टेबल को एक्सटेंड करेंगे जैसे कि 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Now 30 is there in two table and in third table 30 is there and in table of 5 also 30 is there. Now we got our common factor, what it is, 30. So what would be the lowest common multiple of 2, 3 and 5? So lowest common multiple, that is LCM, lowest common multiple of 2, 3 and 5 is what? 30, as it is the common multiple in table of 2, table of 3 and table of 5. So this is a common factor, this is a common multiple, that is 30, 30 and 30. This 30 is there in 2, in 3 and in 5. Okay, so that's why our common factor is 30 and lowest common factor is 30, because before 30 no common factor was there. Okay, so our lowest common multiple or least common multiple is what? 30. I hope everyone clear this. Yes. Okay. Let me check your chat box. Now I will give you one example. Okay. Because we'll do one evaluation part and then we'll stop our lecture. Okay. So I will give you one example like 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Okay. 4 and 6. Find the LCM of 4 and 6. Okay, just do with me. 4, the table of 4 is what? Okay, now table of 6, just do with me. देखते कौन पहले करता है, आप या मैं? ठीक है, हम हमारे बीच में ही कंपटीशन करेंगे. आप लोग पहले करते हो या मैं पहले करती हूँ? Okay, now let's do common factor amongst these two. Common factors. मैं शॉर्टकट में लिखती हूँ, आपको नहीं लिखना है. हाँ, आपको बराबर कॉमन फैक्टर से लिखना है. Now let's do common factors so that we will get our answer. So 4 is there here, not 4, 8, no. 12 is there. In this 12 is there. So here common factor is 12. Then 16, 18, 20, 24. Yes, 24 is also there. Here also 24. तो यहाँ पे हमारा 24 भी आएगा, right? Now 28, no 28, 32, no 32, 36, 36. So here it will come our 36 again, right? 40, no 40. Okay. Now common factors are 12, 24, 36. But in these three common factor, what is the lowest common factor? Lowest common multiple? 12. What is the lowest common multiple? 12. So what is the answer? 12. Let me check who has given the answer. Very good, very good. Many of the student has given the answer. Yes, yes, yes. So you are the winner. I am very happy that you are the winner. Before me, you have done. Okay. Yes, you only won. Aryan Darvi Singh, we won, teacher. So I am really happy that you won, because every teacher wants that their students do the sums before the teacher, right? So you have done it before me. So I am very appreciating that. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.